Alright, so today we're going to be talking about Cuscen small business purchase module, and also we're going to be talking about a bit of sales module as well. So let's get to it. First, we'll be going into the purchase. On the purchase, we're going to be going to the purchase receipts. In here, we're going to make a brand new purchase receipt. So we're going to add a purchase. We're going to add the supplier first. I'm going to go with general supplier. And also, we're going to be adding a product. In this case, I'm just going to go with the water. And I'm going to do one quantity to 5. All right, once you're all done, we're going to submit this purchase receipt. And as you can see, this is our brand new purchase receipt. Purchases received, payment status paid as well. In order to see this in reports, we're going to go to reports and we're going to go inventory, and we're going to be going inventory in, out. I'm going to search water. And as you can see, that's going to be our, and this is our brand new report inventory in and out that we just put on the purchase receipt, as you can see here. All right, so let's talk about the sales module. In order to do sales, first let's add a customer. So we're gonna be going people. Under people, we're gonna have customers. I'm not gonna add a brand new customer. I'm just gonna go with the one already that exists. So in this example, I'm gonna be going with Mr. John here from ABC American Company. So we're gonna be using this as an example. So after viewing our customer, then we're gonna be going to our sales module. On the sales module, we're gonna be going to the quotations. In here, we're gonna add a new quotation. So we're gonna click on add. Under here, we're gonna be choosing our customer. So I'm gonna go with our example. It was Mr. John, right? So I'm gonna be searching John. I'll put Mr. John, and yeah. So we're gonna add a product as well. So I'm gonna go with our water example. 1 quantity to 5. We're gonna go in this way. It's gonna be no order tax. So yeah, once we're all done with our quotation, we're gonna submit this quotation. Here we go. As you can see, our sale quotation is currently under pending status. As you can see here, we have the image and the description. The quantity is 5 cans with the price of 90 cents and total amount you can see here too. And we're gonna be creating the sales order for the specific quotation. So I'm going to click on create sales order. As you can see, our customer with our order items. So as you can, we can get our payment term here as well. So once you're all done, we're gonna submit. And here we go, seller successfully, created, and that's our sales order. So once you click on this, as you can see, the product code, description, price, and total amount. As you can see, the status is pending. So we're gonna go to action. We're gonna approve this sale order, and we're gonna approve it. As you can see right now, our sale order is approved. I also have the option to make, before we go into actually this sales order detail, as you can see, this is our specific sales order we just created. You can see our, our tags on the right. You can see the quantity of this bottle of water with unit price and their subtotal on the far right. So let's go back to sales orders. As you can see, this is one we created. So I'm going to be creating a delivery for the specific order. So we're going to be clicking on action, and under action, we're going to be, creating the delivery. So we're going to take the sale. So what that was for, actually, I'm going to go back, double check the sales number. So that's going to be 008. Okay. So as you can see, this is it. We have the address. If you want to attach your documents, you can do it through here. Once you're done, we can click on submit. And as you can see, delivery has been added successfully. So as you can see, our current delivery is this. Status is pending. So we're going to be going action. And I can, delivery details here. As you can see, these are delivery details. Click on this and we'll create a sale. Here we go. Under creating a sale, we're going to be, our customer is Mr. John. We can see our product. So we're gonna be choosing the wallet here. I'm gonna click on submit. And as you can see, our sale has been successfully added. It's right here, the first one. As you can see, the delivery status is completed, payment status is pending. When we click on it, we can see that product code with the product description. We can see the amount. We can also pay this as well, so payment status is pending. So we can add a payment. Click on here. So we're gonna pay the full amount. So I'm gonna go 4.50. We're gonna be buying by Bank of America under this bank. We're gonna add a payment. As you can see, our current payment is successfully added. For this was our payment, delivery is completed, and payment status is paid. So this is how we can create a purchase receipt. We can also create a sale quotation and make that sale quotation with a sales order. And we can also view the sales invoice as well. And at the end, we can make a delivery. And under sales invoice, as you can see here, we can see our delivery status and payment status. And as you can see, this is the invoice of this specific product. Thank you.